All right, guys. So just to kind of recap our geography of Mesopotamia lesson. So we just really wanted to look at the geological features of Mesopotamia, why people went there, and how it helped them survive there. And the first thing we did was just kind of look at Google Earth and look at the um, actual area, which kind of looked like this. Um, yeah, we talked about how there was mountainous areas around it, and the big thing that I kept stressing you guys is that number one, it was a safe area, so I had you guys move the pins to a safe area and then necessity area. So this is called the Fertile Crescent, right? See, the shape is like a crescent. The Euphrates River, Tigris River runs through there. That's what gives them the lifeline, the water that they need to survive, grow, stuff like that. But it was like that crescent shape because that's where the borderline was. So they're kind of surrounded by mountains all over. So it was kind of a safe area. Plus, also, it was obviously a fertile area. Then just kind of talk quickly. These are the different empires we're going to talk about, just kind of keeping with the theme that we said those six features of geography are going to keep coming back. And all of these civilizations, you have Egypt, Mesopotamia, Indus Valley in India, and then China, all the same thing, on rivers, mountainous, safe. Also Greece, we'll study at the end of the year over here. Surrounded by water, easily defendable. So just kind of the same themes are going to keep coming up all year round. Keep that in mind. And then I did some amazing drawings with our canal system here. So that's your main river there. So that would be like your Euphrates River, Tigris River, and then you would have a gate here that would control the water coming in and out. And then this would be your main canal here, right? That would go through all these different towns. Then you have a gate going to a medium canal, going to like different city areas, and then small canals that would go to individual farms. So you could control in each area the water flow from the river to the main canal to the medium canal to the small canals. So it was pretty smart for thousands of years ago for them to come up with that stuff. And then this was just kind of a better visual of what it would actually look like the early Mesopotamia city with all the different canals running through it. And these were just dug out and the water just kind of flowed from place to place. And it also helped with flooding. So when the river would overflow, it would go into these canals, it would wash away all the cities. And then we also talked about just there being different jobs coming about. Once there were cities, you weren't just nomads and farmers anymore. All these different jobs came up, like a pottery maker or learning all different skills that you would need to have a city run. So different jobs started coming out, and it wasn't just farmers. And people would learn certain trades, and then usually the father, son would kind of pass that down. And that was pretty much it. And then I had you guys write to pretend that you were talking to a friend who was in class and kind of recap what we did. And that's pretty much it for the geography.